Alright guys, today is October 31st, Halloween. We're up here at SM Mall in Clark and we're doing trick-or-treating up here. A lot of times what they do is they hold trick-or-treating events here at the mall. Trick-or-treating is something that's kind of new to the Philippines. I know there's a few places, like a few of the, I guess you would call them like private communities and things like that, that will hold trick-or-treating in their communities. But as far as kids going out, knocking door to door, like back in the United States, they don't do it here. So right now, like I said, we're at the SM Mall. We came down earlier this week, or actually last week, and we had to sign our daughter up and register her for trick-or-treating. But anyways, that's what we're doing right now. We're trick-or-treating here. There's the trick-or-treaters. Hey, you can see all the kids here outside waiting to get into the mall. This is just one entrance into the mall here. So every entrance you have all the kids just waiting to get in and do some trick-or-treating. This is actually Hannah Grace's first time trick-or-treating. Down in the province they didn't do anything like this. So yeah, this is the first time she's actually trick-or-treating. And she's a little shy, but she's starting to smile. So what you got to do is you got to go around to these stores and you got to look for these little signs on the stores. And if you see these signs, it means the store is participating in trick-or-treat, and you send the kids in there and you get your candy. But not all the stores participate, but anyways, that's what you're looking for. If you find that, you're getting a trick or a treat. Here comes the trick-or-treaters! We're on the hunt for candy. We're on the hunt for candy. Oh, look at these girls. Oh, they're very scary. Wow, very scary. Wow, she's very scary. It's the candy line. It's the candy line, candy line. You gotta watch out, man. They'll trample you over for candy. They'll run you right over to get that piece of candy. How much candy you got, Hannah Grace? Let me see. All right. Free-for-all. It's a free-for-all. Gotta get your bucket up there. You can't be shy. These guys are scary. It has become a pure madhouse in here. You got kids crying, you got parents dragging their kids into these candy stores trying to get candy. You got kids running into the stores trying to get candy. Our poor daughter, Luisa's got to take her into the stores and hold her hand or she'll get trampled. It's a madhouse here. It is a Halloween madhouse here. But in all seriousness, it's very fun. It's great to see the kids all laughing and smiling and enjoying their Halloween here. Yeah, this is all new to me here too, seeing Halloween inside the mall and everything, but hey, the kids are having fun and that's the most important part. Scary kids, scary kids, scary kids. Scary kids.